Okay, now my dear students, now we will be explaining you today how to get the answer by using some special technique. We had made the special method to get the answer of the very complicated question very easy. Suppose we have this question: if income of A is 25% more than the income of B. My question is, income of B is by what percent less than A? Generally, we have the answer from the student. They say income of A is 25% less than income of B is 25% less than A. But this is not the answer. So we have developed a shortcut technique to get the answer of these questions. We had made the general formula. General formula for this is, if income of A is X percent more than the income of B, then income of B is X upon 100 plus X into this much percent less than A. This is the easiest way to get the answer of this question. Now we take this question. So answer of this question will be, directly we write this is 25 upon 100 plus 25 into 100. So our answer will be 25 into 125 by 100. So that will be, this will be 25 into 5. Ultimately we have 20%. So that means if income A is 25% more than the income of B, income of B will be 20% less than of A. Generally students say it is 25% less. So that means we can use this shortcut technique to get the answer of such type of the question. And this technique is also useful to find the solution of the other questions. What type of the questions we have? Suppose there is a question, person says, if price of the sugar is increased by 25% and to maintain the budget of my house, by what percent should I reduce the expenses? Very simple, we can use the same technique. Same technique. If price of the sugar is increased by 25%, by what percent the budget should be reduced so that there is expense of the family do not increase? We again apply the same methods. X plus 100 plus X into 100. So that is useful in the many ways. Okay. So that is the way we have developed such technique. This is the quickest method to get the calculation of such type of the problem. In this can be used in the profit and loss, and there is another way of otherwise if we apply the simple method, that takes a very long time. So this is the technique used to find the solution of this question.